Hi everyone. Okay, so I have a DAC haul. I have this DAC haul, and this is, I had two unicorns. One of them is Hello Beastie by Mandy Manzano. Can't find that. It's a couple years old, and the people who are selling it want it for 300 bucks. I'm not paying that much for it. It was a $74.99 or $70 painting. I'm not paying $300 for it. But I did see it when I first was buying knockoffs, not knowing, not knowing anything. But and so I did buy it from a knockoff, but I'm not going to do it or anything like that. But I'm like, oh gosh, so that's my #1 unicorn. My second unicorn was what got me into looking at DAC, was the Cupcake Bakery. The Cupcake Bakery is this one right here. Let me see if I can get it to pan in. Let's see. Let me see if I can get it. It's so like in your face. Let's see. Hold on. Be patient. There we go. It's because it's all the glare, you guys. There's so much glare on this box. Hold on. Hold on. Be patient. Okay, see that? That is so... Let me see if I can go like this. Up my alley. This is exactly what it says. It is a cupcake bakery. Hold on. Be patient. Be patient. Let me see. How do I don't know why my camera's acting the way it is. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, we got it. Thank you for your patience. See that? Oh yeah, that is, we're going to see them here though. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go open the toolkit. But anyways, that was my second unicorn, and they brought it back to, for a restock. So it was a restock. Trying to get it to, I have no clue. I think I may have changed the settings, so I'm gonna fiddle with it when I'm done with this video. But thank you for your patience. I'm not a professional here, and I'm sure as heck not at all professional when it comes to editing and all. I can't do any of that. So when you have square paintings, you get a tweezer set, which love, dime bags, your pen, your two little it's a 6 and a 4, I believe. And your washi. And, oh, they're still doing cover minders. So they still have a cover minder. And this one is a flower. There we go. It is a flower. How cute. And the wax and your little squishy and your tray. So that is what you get for in every painting, which is awesome. Okay, this painting, you guys, is 38.6 by 27.6. It is massive, and it is confetti. So like, you're gonna be doing this for a while. So I opened it as much as I could as far as my camera goes. So, oh my goodness, you guys, it's still going. Hold on. So I want to take out the drills. Okay, and let me show you this way, because this is how I should have done it. I'm sorry. And I know that, but every time it's a different video for me, because I can't, I can't remember what I do. I can't even do what I do all day long. So anyways, this is what it looks like. This is how I should have done it, you guys. I'm sorry. You see that? And it's still in stock. It is way still in stock. I love this, and I cannot wait to do it. I mean, I am a carb girl. I'm an obese girl because I love carbs. So I do. I love carbs. I'm not one of those, I eat like a bird. No. I eat. So, and if there's a muffin, cupcake, donut, yeah, I'm eating it. So, okay, this is, look at this, you guys. It is glorious. Glorious. Oh my goodness gracious me. Look at this. And there's a donut clock. Do you see that right there? It's a donut clock. Ah, and bread. And donuts over here. And cake over here. And macarons. And, oh, yes. Yes. This is, like, so beautiful. Do you see all that confetti, you guys? Oh, yeah. It's going to be fun. I love confetti. When it comes to diamond painting, I love confetti. Look at that, you guys. Cupcakes. Oh, is that not the best? I love this. Oh my goodness gracious. This would like be nirvana to walk into a shop like this. I'm like, I'll have one of everything because yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that, you guys. And then they throw in regular bread. Now, if they had like a baked potato, it's just somewhere, then life would be perfect. A potato, a french fry, you know, any way a potato. What does Dolly Parton say? I've never met a spud I didn't like. Something like that. Oh my God. I love potatoes and I don't care how they're cooked. Preferably baked potatoes, loaded baked potatoes, and then french fries. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah. Love this. This is so cute. I cannot. I am going to be framing this. So it has 67 colors, you guys. Okay, enough of me fawning. 67 colors. Oh my goodness gracious. But it only has one bag, so check that out. Anything below 150 is an AB, which is an Aurora Borealis, which is a really pretty, shiny, just gem. It's beautiful. So there's 4 of them. And there is no other specialty diamonds in here, as far as I can tell. So, oh, look at, you guys see that? Look at that. Look at the colors. Woohoo! Oh, goodness gracious me. Okay, let's open this. So yeah, guys, this is still in stock. But if you don't love confetti, don't get it, because you'll go mad. So $9.46 was by itself. Okay, I'm going to scooch it in there. Sorry. Close your eyes. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at all these pinks, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. Ooh, look at this. Okay, we're just going to go this route. Then we have to move this out of the way. Oh, look at this yellow. Adds a little stray in there. I like when the strays get in there because it's kind of fun. Because, you know, it's man-made. I don't mind it. I think it's cute. 141. This is an AB. This is like those candies that come in these kind of packaging. I just love it. I think that's 2 of the same color. 2 of these same colors. Look at these pinks, you guys. Oh, this is an AB. Yeah, 120. Oh, look at this turquoise. Oh, that's just beautiful. Okay, and let's go with... Yeah, I must have changed the setting. I'm going to have to go through this. Look at that yellow. So darn pretty, you guys. I love this so much. I love this whole craft. There's just not enough time in your day to do them all. Oh my gosh. But my husband is off for a few days and we DP together, so I'm gonna have him DP with me this whole week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then that way we can get more of our turkey done. Because we're going to do the holiday shop next. Even though, I mean, we may or may not. I might do this one next. I'm honestly thinking of doing this one next. Because I want to do the holiday shop. But the problem with the holiday shop is that Christmas will be over. And I may not be in the mood to want to do Christmas. But Cupcake Bakery, yeah. But I may bring out the holiday shop. All the Christmas ones in July. And then that way we can start doing them in July. So that way we can hang them up for December. That's what I think. I think that's what I'm doing. I'm changing my mind. And that's okay. I can do that. Not life and death, so it's all good. Oh my gosh. Look at the little purples. Ah, I love it. All right. Cupcake Bakery, guys. Still in stock. 67 colors. It is beautiful. It is divine. I want some cake. Alright guys, but I need to lose weight, so I'll just do this. Alright guys, take care. Bye.